Just don't do the eye contact. You know, they thrive off the eye contact.
Yeah, this is what we did yesterday, and it's delicious. Don't be jealous.
What is up, y'all? It is Ro back with another video. Out and about today. I'm at a stoplight. Green light, green light, green light. Right now, I'm about to go to U-Haul. About to go to U-Haul, see if I can get cargo trailer. Cargo trailer, see if I can get one. If I can get one. These cars are racing by me. They're just like, hey, you're going too slow. So right now, I'm pulling into the cargo trailer, U-Haul situation, and just gonna check and see what they got. What they got. Because I'm trying to get something. Oh, I see they got some cargo trailers. Okay, yo. Okay, where do I park, yo? That's the question. Where do I actually park? So, today is a good day. It's a good day. So for today, I'm going to do the cargo trailers. If I can't get the cargo trailer from here, I'm going to go somewhere else. We're trying to get flights for family because family's coming out soon. So excited about that. I don't know what's going to go on today. You know, today's one of them days that's like, hey, we got to get some stuff done, but we're just going to take it one step at a time. One step at a time. It's like learning to love. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. Jordan Sparks. Actually, yo, my wife and I, we birthed our child, our baby, at the same birthing center as Jordan Sparks. It's not as expensive as y'all think it is, but we're not balling, we ain't none of that. So yeah. All right, I'm about to go in here and check it out, see what we could get, woo, all that good stuff, and then check with you guys a little bit later. So I just finished with U-Haul. Got everything situated. Got the U-Haul. Got a 5x8. Those things expensive, yo. Those things expensive. And then to travel to where we traveling, it's costing like almost $1,300 to travel from LA to Cleveland, Ohio. And we gotta go like 50 miles per hour. So it's gonna take a while to get there, but we'll get there. I think today we are going to meal prep. So we're gonna meal prep for lunch and dinner. Or just lunch, babe. What you think? Yeah. All right, we're gonna meal prep for lunch and dinner. So yeah, let's get into it. Real life daddy daycare situation. All right, so this is real life parenting right now. She's just stopped crying once when I turned on the camera. I think there's a situation that deals with when you look directly into the soul of a baby, they act up. They just totally act up. They don't care. They like, you're looking at me. You're looking into my soul. I'm about to act a fool. So I'm like, I try not to look at the baby. Cause she be quiet. Is that bad? Hold on. Is that bad, babe? Don't look at the baby. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Don't give the baby eye contact at all. At all. Okay, I'm just playing. Sometimes you gotta do that, but most of the time, just don't do the eye contact. You know, they thrive off the eye contact. So when you eye contacting with them, they like, yo, what you want? What you trying to do? Yeah, eye contacted them. Yeah, that's the new language. I contacted them. I contacted them. I contacted them. I mean, I'm gonna be a good dad and good father right now because I'm gonna start attending to that right now because she's clearly needing something, aka a nap. So I'm gonna go attend to that, and I'll see you guys later. All right, guys. So welcome to another episode of Cooking with Ro. In this episode, we are making quesadillas. All right. So my wife over here is cutting up some cilantro for this pico de gallo tomato sauce, all this goodness. So yeah, we're making some homemade pico de gallo. So it's cilantro, onions, tomatoes, and a bit of lemon juice, but we didn't have lemon juice, so we used lime juice. We had a lime, so we used lime juice and squeezed that out. So yeah, this is the tomato sauce. So squeezing a lemon, like rolling it and allows you to get like more juices out of the lemon before you cut it in half. So that's why my wife decided to do that. And then look at her just struggling though, like struggling with this one little lemon. I keep calling it a lemon, it's a lime. Trash. This little lime, and then just stir it up. After you're done, you just stir it up, and then, you know, taste it, season it if you need to, but it should be fine after you add that lime in there and mix everything up, and it will be delicious. So right now we are taking some chicken breasts that we season, salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of Cajun seasoning. We like a little bit of spice in our stuff. Also, I put some garlic as well in the pan and some red onions. Give it a little bit of, you know, extra taste, extra flavor. And also the onions in the pan helps the garlic not burn as quick and not as fast. So it's really good mixture. So after your chicken breasts are cut, then you can take them out and start cutting them up, because like I said, we are making chicken quesadillas, the healthy kind. I guess, I don't know if they're healthy or not. I mean, I guess yogurt and pico de gallo, homemade pico de gallo, that makes it healthier. So yeah, we're making a healthier kind. So you just chop up all your chicken, and then we're throwing it right back into the pan and just going to cook it some more. It's just going to pretty much cook it all the way through. You probably didn't need to, but in my case, I don't like raw meat all like that. So I added some peppers and some more onions, and we're just going to keep, you know, cooking that through. Make sure that the onions and peppers are sauteed very well. And then we're adding some corn, some beans, and we're just going to mix everything together, because that's what we're having inside of our quesadillas. So then these are some Romero quesadillas, some Romeros. Yes, Romero. Yes, that is my name. I just go by Ro. So yeah, some Romero quesadillas from Spain. All right, so what we're doing right now, we are adding some coconut oil to the pan so they don't stick to the pans. And I think actually they did stick. So I don't know. No, actually, no, they didn't stick to the pans. It was really good. So we just add some coconut oil to the pans, add some tortillas, Romero tortillas, add some cheese, and then you add your mixture and then your cheese on top of that, close it up. And then we're going to put it in the oven. After it's all done, put it in the oven for 425 for 6-7 minutes. And then we're going to take it out, add your pico de gallo and your yogurt right on top, and you will be ready to eat that boy. Alright y'all, so I'm on my scooter right now. Just turned in the car to get it fixed. I look ridiculous, don't I? Sunglasses, mask, all of the above. Yes, I know I look ridiculous, but also I got a camera too, because you can't trust people out here. People can't drive. Sent the car in to get some maintenance done on it, and then so right now I'm just about to ride home, chill until, you know, they call me back, and then I'll ride back, get the car with the scooter. And oh yeah, I ain't even show you guys. This is the scooter that I got that I'll be riding. It's really nice, really cool. It's the Mini Motor V-Wave 5. So check it out if you guys are ever interested in scooters that goes a little bit more than, you know, your average scooter. So check that out. And yeah, so let's get into it. just got back. Dang, my hair is jacked up. Flat, 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 flat. We watching YouTube, chilling, pretty much getting ready to pack. Look at this clothes, all these clothes we got. Yeah, this stuff, baby stuff, clothes. That's just one of the six things we got. 6 of those things we got. So we got some packing to do. So next week is gonna be hardcore packing. I ain't even gonna lie, it's gonna be hardcore. But this week is just calling everybody, getting everything situated and stuff, and getting things just ready. You know, at the end of the day, try to get it ready to move to new adventures, new things. Look who decided to get up. Get up on the good. Get up on the. Look at you, Zoo.
Aww, there's sweetie pie.
Look at you, Zoo. Hey, girl, what you doing? What you doing? Sada Zoo. Yeah. 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 Let me try to look like you for a second. Did it work? It worked. Ah! Zurizu. She likes to play with my my lip balm. She likes to play with it. She likes to grab it and, you know, rip it out of my hand. That is her small little fingers trying to grab it. The disrespect, y'all. The disrespect. She's on another level. I know she can't talk, but it needs to be some indication like, maybe. No, it's snatch. Snatch. You know, when she get older, I'll be snatching her food away from her. Snatch. Give me that. Oh, you got cake? No, you don't. Snatch. Oh, it's your birthday? You got cake? No, you don't. Snatch. Zay, stop. Don't eat. Don't eat it. No, don't eat. No, no, no. Ridiculous. The ridiculousness. Oh, I gotta show you some of the like I said, the meal prep situation. I know it's an awkward camera movement. The reason for that is, like I said, my wife doesn't want to be shown. So no, she doesn't want to be. So whenever she's ready and confident to do that, y'all, then I'll show her. Move, get out of here. She got 2 fingers. That's all you get to see. Alright, so this is the chili that we made. Look at that boy. I'm eating my dinner for lunch. To tell y'all, this is the lunch that I made yesterday. This is the, what was those? Quesadillas? Pretty much. So we got quesadillas with yogurt, homemade, what is it called? Pico de gallo. The gallo of the pico. That guy on pico. This stuff good. I like it a lot. I think the pico de gallo is a really thing that is the thing that really brings out like the freshness, I guess. It brings out just like, it brings out something else that if it didn't have it, it'd be just like super dry. And also the yogurt is good because it's like filling too. Like I said, check it out. Yeah, this is what we did yesterday and it's delicious. Don't be jealous. So yeah, y'all, that's what we doing now. We about to eat lunch, chill out. It's sunny outside. Clearly, it's LA. Clearly, it's always sunny. It never rains. It never rains. Dang, look at all the sunlight. The imperfections. Ooh. So we got a lot done today. Got things back. Yeah, on to the next thing. See you guys in the next video.